Welcome to Carnival Mardi Gras. Welcome to Carnival Mardi Gras, the flagship of fun and adventure. Named after the original Carnival ship that launched the fleet, the Mardi Gras takes cruising to a whole new level. In this video, I'll give you a sneak peek at what makes this ship one of the most exciting in the world. Let's dive in. Carnival Mardi Gras is divided into 6 neighborhoods: the Grand Central, French Quarter, Summer Landing, La Piazza, the Lido, and the Ultimate Playground.
Hello! Hello guys, my name is Puspa. I'm from Indonesia. Nice to meet you.
When you first board the ship, you'll be on deck 6 at Grand Central. This stunning 3-deck atrium is more than just a meeting spot. By day, it's the perfect place to relax with panoramic ocean views, and by night, it transforms into an entertainment hub with live performances and dazzling LED shows. It's the pulse of the Mardi Gras experience.
Mardi Gras, welcome to New Orleans. So know one thing, who's ready for a show tonight?
All 68. All 68.
Tree. Tree, not a coke. I was gonna say look outside.
You actually said the tree.
Yeah, tree, not a coconut tree, yeah.
I'm 28.
You take it, but here you come take it. It's perfect.
2 cases in each of them.
Deal.
320 can be yours, or you can go for the one time.
Don't be stubborn.
Everybody say deal or no deal.
No deal.
I can't deal with this. He passed up $320.
She'll take it to money.
I can't deal with it. I can't deal with this.
He's gonna open 2 more cases. I agree. I can't deal with it either.
Here are some of the wonderful cruise buddies I met aboard Carnival Mardi Gras. Miss Robin and her husband Reggie, who's off camera. Miss Gloria and her daughter Samara out of Atlanta. Will and Jerry out of Chicago. Congratulations on your engagement. One of the nicest people I ever met, Miss Lori, her husband Jeff, and her friends Candy and Jason. My buddy Jimmy over at Traveling Jimmy. Check out his channel. He also has a video tour of Carnival Mardi Gras so you can see the ship from a different perspective. Now these 2 ladies are more than just my cruise buddies. They're also my friends, Miss Valerie and Miss Melanie. Hey y'all. Hey ladies, I hope you had safe travels back, and I'm looking forward to cruising with you again. And this is the Spa Squad, Shelly, Kathy, Rocher, and Rondell. And of course my spa buddies, Mr. Herbert and Miss Joyce. Congratulations on your 1-year anniversary. Oh, and I found some ducks.
to be the one to be the one. Now, it is the audience who will be the ones to decide which couple they want. Myself and the audience are looking for the most incredible, the most crazy, the most insane, unique, eye-captivating, passionate kiss. You want to remain stand back up. I'm looking for more uniqueness. Show me what you got.
Name something a doctor might pull out of a person. Darcy.
A dribble.
Name something that's hard to do with your eyes open.
Read.
If you say hello, it would work. Say hello.
Hello.
All right, so again, I'm going to be reading 5 questions. Now remember that you've been timed. Now for this one, you're going to be needing, you and your partner needs 200 points to win how much?
$500.
What tall animal might you find on your bed when you return to your cabin?
Ant.
Name something children do quickly.
Read.
Name a royal title.
Skip.
Name something that squeaks.
A mouse.
Name something a child might pack for lunch.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Name a royal title. Can we give him that question, please?
Yes.
Name a royal title.
Name a royal title.
Are we gonna take that? A royal title can be me. Sorry. Are we gonna take that? Or are we gonna
Yes.
Me?
Started with $100, went for 20 spins, and ended up with $89.35. Can I get some more or no? Little monkey. Oh, give me all the drums. Just fill it up. Oh, fill it up with drums. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Come on, all the drums.
Sideline. Sideline.
Some more. All right, I'll take it. I almost doubled my money. Woo woo. mine has 3, okay. Does that mean I win a major? All right, Mardi Gras. Yeah. All right, Mardi Gras. What you talking about? What? Is that good or bad? Oh, wow. Oh. Wow. Okay, I didn't know that that was my prize up there. Wow. Thank y'all for telling me what was happening because I never played this and I did not know. Wow. Awesome.
Two questions, write down on the paper, 20 possible answers. Everybody already knows what to do. Let's go for question number 1. What breakfast food gets its name from the German word for stirrup? Stirrup.
Still outside. All right, we got a pig and anchor. Get some barbecue. It's up here on deck 8. This is set up very similar to Celebration. I should not be surprised. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's nice out here. Alright, so on Carnival Mardi Gras, you can go up to the Lido deck or you can come here on deck 8 to the Pig and Anchor and get some barbecue, which is what I'm finna do. Sometimes it's a full service restaurant and sometimes it's self-serve. Right now it's self-serve, so just go out these doors. And there's a line right here. There's actually a line on both sides. So let's come on this side.
California. The is cognac. They still refer to it as a
Now let's talk about dining and entertainment on Carnival Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras boasts over 20 unique dining options. Whether you're craving sushi at Bonsai Teppanyaki, craft cocktails at the Alchemy bar, or a family-style feast at Cucina del Capitano, there's something to satisfy every palate. And don't forget the incredible live music and comedy shows happening all around Celebration Central. Oh wow. It's very tart, but it's good. Alright, so I found a secret balcony area. If you didn't watch this video, there's no way you were going to find it either. Okay, how to get to it. You can either go in, it's on deck, what deck is this? 8. It's on deck 8. Towards the front-ish, middle-ish, middle front-ish. Only 2 ways to get here. You can go into Bonsai Teppanyaki or Chibay. Go all the way to the back and there's some doors that lead outside. And that's where this is. In the words of our favorite demigod, you're welcome. All right, I'm gonna show you another secret area that I found, and it's actually right below this one. And they don't have chairs out there. I wouldn't sit out there, but if you just want to go and stand out for a little bit, or you had like my little blue chair, you want to go sit for a minute. It's not locked or anything. I'm on deck 8 in this hidden balcony, and the other hidden area is right downstairs. This area here, and over by the lifeboats. So deck 7 is really where it's at. And if you just go to the casino and go out the side door between the casino and the bathrooms by the casino, towards the front of the ship by the theater, that's where it's at. So if you're looking for a couple of secret spots, those are here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Next stop is the ultimate playground. This is where all the adventure lives. It's home to the first ever roller coaster at sea called Boat. Strap in for breathtaking views and heart-pounding thrills as you race around the top deck. And if that's not enough, check out the ropes course, mini golf, and the massive Waterworks water park. It's non-stop fun for everyone. 11 now. Got my 30-minute walk in. Feeling much better. Old people problems. For y'all young people, y'all don't understand this, but yeah, when I woke up, I was very stiff. So getting that 30-minute walk in did wonders for me. Here on the Lido deck, it's all about relaxation and good vibes. Take a dip in one of the pools, sip a refreshing drink from the Red Frog Tiki Bar, or grab a bite at fans' favorites like Guy's Burgers Joint or Blue Iguana Cantina. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sun and unwind.
All right, now every single one of you, I got a question to ask you. If you are ready for a great vacation, let me hear you make some noise! Now, like the DJ said, I'm your cruiser answer, Jackie. Can I get a hey, Jackie? Now I need to remind you of a few things. Mardi Gras family, for the next 7 days, you don't have to cook. How does that sound? For the next 7 days, you don't have to clean. And for the next 7 days, you don't have to go to work or go to school. So I'm going to need every single energy from all of you. I'm going to count down from 10. And when I reach 0, I want you all to yell out on the top of your lungs, I'm on vacation. Can you do that for me, everyone? I said, can you do that for me? DJ, let's start that countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So
right to the front, left to the back. I say right to the front, left to the back. Come on, right to the front, left to the back. Now part of the dance move. All I want for you is you're gonna lean to the left and lean to the right. And Catherine left and lean to the right. Yeah, let's sing out now. All the hello. Oh yeah.
If you are ready for a great vacation, let me hear you make some noise. Suya, come on. Go, right.
So they have these. They have these blankets that I just learned about these when I was on Holland America, but Carnival has the logo dive-in. The dive-in movie logo. So yeah, when you're out on the Lido deck and you want to just check out a blanket, just go over there to the towel stand. Yeah, so just go over there to the towel stand and just check it out, just like you do towels, and then turn it back in when you're done using it, so you don't get charged. Today this wind is so bad. Today I'm hanging out on the Lido deck. It's a playoff game between Ohio and Notre Dame. I'm not really into college football, but I do want to watch some football, so here I am. There's some shows going on too, but I'd rather watch football today.
What convincing in that possession? No, the first drive was Notre Dame football, being positive on 1st and 10, getting to 3rd and short.
In their possessions. 231 yards of total offense. Really nice run to pass, balance, and a 14-point lead.
This time they actually work zone defense. This is where Jogging is out in the backfield. But watch the defense in the eyes to threat. Boy, Howard's been doing this and hurting them. Look at the 4 defenders. They're not going to run again, even though it's zone. In any case, it picks up Jogging, who slips right behind his defenders who are worried about that quarterback scramble again.
For a more tranquil escape, head to the Serenity Adults Only Retreat. This area is all about peace and quiet. Kick back in a comfy lounge chair, enjoy the whirlpools, or treat yourself to a cocktail from the bar. It's pure relaxation away from all the hustle and bustle.
Well, a very good morning, Mardi Gras family. This is Jackie, your cruise director, and welcome to Amber Cove. Now, just a reminder to all our guests, please make sure that you do have government-issued ID for all guests over the age of 16. That could be a passport or a driving license. That is completely fine. Please also make sure that you have your sailing sign card to swipe on and off the vessel. And also note, due to agriculture regulations, no food or drinks allowed to be taken on or off the ship. At this time, folks, we have been cleared by local authorities. All guests wanted to go ashore may now proceed to the gangway on deck 3 midshipman forward. Have a brilliant day outside in Amber Cove, folks, and remember, all aboard is no later than 4:30 p.m.
For those who love to be pampered, Loft 19 is a must visit. Loft 19 is an exclusive retreat with cabanas and personalized service, while the Cloud9 Spa offers everything from massages to thermal suites for ultimate relaxation. Good morning. Can I just do a quick walkthrough so I can show people the ship? Just walk through and come back. Thank you. Is there anything special I should tell them?
Yeah, so this is a private area, ma'am. So,
Private? Okay.
If you want to stay, you have to rent the cabana.
If you want to stay, you have to rent it. So it's not like just for suites people. Anybody on the ship can rent it.
If you stay on the extra suite cabin, so you have access here for the using the long chair.
If you stay on which cabins?
Extra suite only.
Excel Suite. Okay, I've never heard of that. Okay. So either Excel Suite you get access, or you can rent the cabanas.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And do you know how much they are?
So if you're coming on C day, it's 590, and then if you're coming on hot day like 2 days, 295. It's for 5 people maximum stay in one cabana, and then you will get a bottle of champagne, water, fruit, smoothies, and then food service as well.
Okay, and that's just for 1 day?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, thank you. So I saw the, oh how cute. I saw the menus. Is that food included or is there an extra charge for that? Yes? Is it unlimited? Unlimited and a bottle of champagne?
We have a time for the food is start from 12 until 2:30.
Only for lunch, okay, yeah. And nobody's here because it's C day. Is it usually empty on C days? Yeah, so it's usually empty on C days. And how many people did you say? 5? Okay. And each cabana, do you tell them, or do you get to pick which cabana you want, or you have to assign them?
They already fixed before they come in, they already book the cabana, so yeah. And then when they come in, like,
no, like I mean, if I booked it right now today, do I get to pick which one I want?
Yeah.
Okay. And it was something else. So is all these chairs that's in front of each cabana goes only with that cabana?
Yeah.
Or you can sit in any chair?
So if you rent the cabana, you will get 4 long chairs.
Only the chairs that's with it. Okay, you can't just sit anywhere except for the common areas, right? Okay. Okay, cool. Thank you. What's your name?
Nikatut.
Nikatut.
What's your name?
It's Linnell. That's very cute. I never heard that before. Thank you.
What's your name?
Linnell. Yes.
Okay, I'm Shelly from Chicago. Hi, I'm Kathy from Minneapolis, Minnesota. I'm Rochelle from Chicago, also from a little known area called Inglewood.
Rondell from Chicago, but live in Minnesota.
Oh, okay. And they are cruising, sailing with us on Carnival Mardi Gras, having a good old time. And they recommend the Cloud9.
Oh, Cloud9, the spa floor. Y'all gotta take advantage of the spa floor. You have full access to a thermal spa. So you got the salt cave, you got the aromatherapy, you have the sauna, you have the whirlpool, all access because you're on Cloud9.
All right, Carnival, get them discounts for marketing. All right, y'all. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Another place you can pamper yourself is the Cloud9 Spa, where they have everything from massages to thermal suites, everything that you need for complete relaxation during your vacation. Line to get rid of all the kids. Now let's check out where you'll stay.
Hi. From where are we at now?
Well, we're in Sunport.
Amber Cove.
We're in Sunport, Amber Cove, having a wonderful time.
Yes.
I am living the life.
Yes, and lovely to meet poverty. Yes.
Yes.
Poverty to paradise. I used to be poverty. I'm paradise now.
She's paradise now.
What's your names again?
Stacy
and Vi, and I might be doing this quite often. This might be my new home.
Yay.
My new home.
Yes.
Wow.
Sounds super exciting because then you get to go to different ports that you've never been to and stuff.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
All right.
It was meant for us to stop and talk
see
to you.
you. Absolutely.
Yep.
Absolutely.
Beautiful.
Everything happens for a reason.
That's right.
Sure
That's
does.
right.
It
That's
sure
right.
does.
Nice to meet y'all.
You too.
Nice to meet you
All right.
too.
Bye-bye.
Mardi Gras offers a variety of accommodations from cozy interior rooms to luxurious suites. They also have the Havana Cabana suites with private outdoor terraces and exclusive access to the Havana pool. It's a little slice of paradise. have it, my friend, a whirlwind tour of the Carnival Mardi Gras. From its thrilling attractions to the world-class dining to its luxurious accommodations, this ship truly has everything. Whether you come on here to relax, to indulge, or to seek adventure, the Mardi Gras is ready to deliver an unforgettable vacation for you. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you click the thumbs up to give me a like on the video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Check out these videos here regarding the Carnival Mardi Gras. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you on the next cruise.